Hi there, on this video I'm going to show you how to connect your smart LG TV to your internet. What you have to do first is just navigate to where you have the setting icon right over there, and it's pretty simple. Now you can see the white circle is on the setting. Navigate to where we have the Wi-Fi icon right over there, then click on enter. After that you have the internet connection panel opening up. Now we have the wired and the wireless, so we'll be connecting to the wireless one right down here where we have the Wi-Fi connection. So click on it, and then you'll be able to see the list of available Wi-Fi's within your range. Now what you have to do is just select on your specific Wi-Fi. For my case scenario, I have the BBI QLED. Then click on it, and let me just try the low one. So if I click on that one, you'll enter your password. After that you click on enter, and you're connected to your Wi-Fi. Now once you get back, you won't be able to see that error there that says connect to internet. It's pretty simple, and that's how you simply connect your LG TV to your Wi-Fi. See you next time on another video. I know the video might be so simple, but don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to leave a comment if that particular video actually helped you. If not now, I know it will help you tomorrow. Bye.